So shortly after I moved in, I did a short video of my computer tech room setup, mostly just the desk. But I was gonna show you guys months later how it came together. It's pretty cool. So when you walk in, first thing you see probably is my trusty retro Tandy color computer setup. 128K. Fancy. Then up in the corner is actually a wire ham radio antenna, which is connected to the radio, which you'll see in a second. Then I got a little organizer for just accessories and just to keep things out of the way. A little fan for circulation. And you get the window, some blinds, and some pretty wrinkly blackout curtains. I have to iron those or something. And there's the desk, which I'll show you in a second. And then representing Star Trek, got a cool poster. Right next to the door is just a little table that I mostly use for storage. That's my NAS hard drive thing. All my files and stuff are backed up on it. I keep my handheld radios tucked away there, and there's my little cross that I got for Christmas from my aunt. And you know, Jesus is protecting my stuff, I guess. I mean, my printer's down there, but who cares about that? Just my guitar amp and the old axe. And there's my gaming PC, which I custom built from scratch. That's self-explanatory right there. On the wall is the Verizon Fios fiber box that connects to internet and TV and stuff. My router, my Dragon beverage, and that shows me what the humidity temperature is in here. My Bluetooth headphones, and that's the ham radio. And that's linked to the actual unit that's under the desk. And my monitor, Apple EarPod wireless thingy. That is my headphone amplifier. My Apple wireless keyboard. My gaming mouse. And my Logitech speakers. Subwoofer is down there. It's a little dark. My BB-8 guy just hanging out. Xbox 360 controller, not 360, Xbox One controller for a little bit of gaming. And then in the corner here is my little charging station. This is a wireless phone charger, and this is kind of all of the connectors you could need for any given phone or device, pretty much. And that goes to a kind of distribution power thing back there. And that connects to my power supply hidden back here. That powers the ham radio. And then this part here runs the USB power station. And then this is the charger for one of my handheld radios. And I almost forgot to mention my 13-inch MacBook Pro. And that's on a little, it's called a Book Arc stand, which matches the color and makes it stand up and gives it a nice place to sit. And there you go. And then the wiring under here is a little messy. I tried to keep it as clean as possible. That's the actual head unit for the radio. So the microphone runs up along there, and it hangs on the corner there. And then a speaker wire goes to my radio speaker, which is hidden behind there. It's actually a little dusty. I'm gonna clean that up. Trash can. That is the tuner box for my cable TV service, so that I can access it via the network instead of renting a cable box. And that coax goes to the box behind the desk, and that's my network switch. That's the Verizon interface box. So the fiber comes in here, and the coax comes out to my tuner that I just showed you, and then the Ethernet for internet comes out. It's gigabit internet, symmetrical, and there you go. That's some just extra Ethernet, and that runs actually all the way to the living room where my TV and stuff is. I think it's turned out pretty cool. It's always a work in progress, but there you go.